What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do a review on the Fidget Cube, white and red. Boom. Take it over, Garcia.
Okay, there's a lot of different fidget stuff, and there's a spinner thingy. You spin 5 buttons. This off switch, off and on. Metal ball. These gears. And then this fueling pump, and then there's the pressing and rolling part.
The joystick.
Yeah.
Which is my favorite. And also the steel ball is my favorite. But this one is also pretty cool. It's real soft. You just touch it. You know what I'm saying? What do you think about that? Xavier, what's your favorite part?
My favorite part is this, because you can just go like that. And my other favorite part is the buttons, because you can press them all at one time.
Oh, pretty cool. But my fidgets, that's still the best, is the spinner. America.